details again, press 4.
All right, listen to this, y'all.
Hear extended job details.
Come on, phone.
Press
There we
5.
go. Check this out.
Mercedes auto lockout at 753 Thompson Nursery RD Lake West Hales, Florida 33859 Florida. The offer price is $28. If you are interested, press 1 to accept the job.
I'm gonna press 1.
Thank you.
Let me tell you what, I'm not going to go do this. What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, Mobile Mechanic and Roadside Services. Chilling up here at the shop right now. Got to work on that thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. But more importantly, I finally got the damn torque converter for my dually. I need to put that bad boy in. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not looking forward to the job. I've dropped this transmission already twice. Or 3 times, I don't even remember. I've dropped it almost as many times I've dropped this one. The only difference is I've had this one for like 8 years. I maybe had my dually for like 2 years. And yeah, this will be the last time. If I gotta drop it again, just like this one. If I gotta drop it again, it's got to go. That's actually why it's in the shop right now. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is not effing with the motor club. Listen, we're gonna get into it right after the intro. So I had to quickly run and go get the camera. I just charged it. I just moved over some files. I was just talking to one of my homies. Shout out to Reyes Towing down there in PA. Yeah, Harrisburg, PA, man. Y'all check my homie out. He out here doing his thing. And I was telling him like, yeah, bro, I don't really mess with the motor clubs, man, because they be tripping. You know, the mechanic work does his thing. So I still turn wrenches. But my tow truck, man, I don't like to move it, especially right now. Diesel right now is almost $4 a gallon where we at right now, right? This is essentially an $80,000 car that they need a lockout on, right? Now, for one, I've tried to lock out Mercedes. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've actually never had any success with unlocking Mercedes. I forgot to work on that Civic too. Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen. No, Volkswagen I have, but most of the time I am not very successful in unlocking German cars. But to have the audacity to say I'm gonna pay you $28 to drive 25 miles and then do a service and then deadhead 25 miles back, get the hell out of here, man. Come, like, how could you possibly make money doing that? Now, I'm not even gonna put the company on blast. Shout out to my homie Louise at On Site Towing. It's not on site no more, but he tried to warn us, y'all. He tried to warn us. I'm still like learning the game, but I learned enough to say, don't F with these motor clubs. I'm trying to tell you, man, listen. People in my area right now, they will pick you up and tow like 30 miles for $50. I'm not doing it. I shut this bitch down. I will shut it down before I do that. Because at the end of the day, I got family to feed. I gotta pay my rent at my shop. I gotta pay the rent at the house. I got bills, man. I ain't got time or energy to be giving out, you know, basically to go work for free. I would, if this is the case, and for y'all out there who working with the motor clubs, please tell me if I'm wrong, because it seems as if for the amount of money you would make running motor clubs, that you could literally take home more, which is net. You would net profit more working at McDonald's at $13 an hour. Tell me I'm lying. Because at least at McDonald's, I can drive there, right? And then I'm parked there. I'm gonna be at this one stationary place for $13 an hour. Yo! $13 an hour. And then I don't have to worry about coming back. Yo! We gonna get right back to this. So ironically, the company called me back. Homie just stopped by the shop, so I had to stop filming so I could rap for a minute. But they called me back, said, hey man, we can't get nobody out here. What's your rate? I gave them my rate. They're like, oh, well, that's a little bit over what we would normally pay. Can we do anything else? I said, nope. And then they proceeded to tell me that they needed to talk to their supervisor. If they could accept it, they would call me back. Don't play yourself, people. Don't let these motor clubs run y'all business, man. That's the whole thing. I get it. Motor clubs, to a degree, are gonna give you a sense of security. By security, I mean steady income, steady revenue. But that's not the name. They're not in the business of losing money. I mean, think about it. If you got roadside assistance, or your customer got roadside assistance, how much you think they're paying per month? $20 maybe? 40 maybe? If that, I mean, that's a stretch, because I mean, hell, AAA is like $100 a year or something crazy. So you telling me they banking on the customer not using the actual product. That's all that it comes down to. So it's up to you to not take on that burden with them, essentially. So if they call me back, that's cool. If not, I got work to do. So we're gonna get back to this thing. But I wanted to throw that out there, man. Don't let these people run y'all business. You need to run your business. You need to know your rate and know your worth, and then fight for what you're worth, because these people are never gonna pay you what you deserve to get, all right? The example I was leaving with earlier was that if you worked at McDonald's at 13 bucks an hour, you would probably net more. And realistically, the reason why that being is because you're going to one place, you ain't burning fuel, you're not paying insurance, and everything else is taken care of. And you're gonna get free fries, yo. Free McDonald's fries? Like, really? Who would take that down or turn that down? You know, you know what I'm saying? But on the other end, you know, when you're an entrepreneur, you're self-employed, all this stuff is out of your pocket. So, you know, at the end of the day, you have to count the cost for that. You know, if it's worth it to you to take that hit and go ahead and go out and do these motor clubs and get these low calls and not take the most money you can get, I mean, it is on you. But the problem with doing that is it disturbs the whole market, because when you go out of business because you ran yourself down to the ground, then people like me got to come and try to pick it up, and then I got to negotiate with the companies because they want to pay the same rate that they were paying you. The cycle repeats itself. So we ain't gonna win that over here. I want to make sure that y'all are staying profitable, staying strong, and building and growing, man, for the betterment of yourself and your family, and, you know, everybody else in your circle, man. You know, go get your bread, do it legitly, and know your worth, man, and get it, demand it. I know I am, but I can't tell you what you do with you. With that being said, mi gente, I'm out of here. Let me get back to work. Like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in to your homie, man. We out here, we getting it. I guess I'll give information on this car once it's all done, but basically it is a repo, and waiting for the title to come, but I've already got the clearance, so I am working on it. And yeah. Making money. Till next time, mi gente. Be pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.